The weekend is finally here, but work is only just getting started for our B-Town stars. From Alia Bhatt starting prep on Darlings to Arjun Rampal showing off his Dhadak look, Imtiaz Ali dropping hints about a reconciliation on the cards, Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam completing 22 years and more. Here are the top headlines of the day. Our Friday turned a whole lot filmy with Alia Bhatt sharing some exciting movie updates. The actress who's been on a film signing spree has now begun work on her next film titled Darlings. Yup, the same one that is being backed by Badshah Shah Rukh Khan. With Shefali Shah on board to play mom and Jasmeet Reem stepping in as director, buzz is that the story will revolve around a mother-daughter duo going through various situations to find their place in the world. Was it just us, or did that description actually tug at those heartstrings? Talking about matters of the heart, can we all take a moment to appreciate this hunk of a man, Arjun Rampal? Bald, brawny or bleached platinum blonde, we just realized that we love this man and all the shades he brings to the big screen. As if Kangana Ranaut didn't give us enough reason to watch Dhakad, now we have one more. Scooping up something controversial on the way, we got word that the Mumbai police have arrested 4 persons in the fraudulent vaccination drive case. All 3 cases that reported involved the same event company that conducted the so-called vaccination drive. Sharing the deets with our bees was producer Ramesh Taurani, who said the SP events team had conducted the vaccination drive at our office. About 356 people had taken the vaccination and we are waiting for the police to know what we need to do next. While Hollywood left us blindsided with a big Bennifer reunion, Bollywood had a reunion of its own and one that we least expected. Imtiaz Ali and wife Preeti have given rise to reconciliation rumors after they headed out on yet another holiday together. The director, who has given us some of the best modern-day romance flicks, is living out one of his own and reportedly mending ways with his wifey. Apart from the two heading out to God's own country for some relaxing time together, the two had their daughter Ida and their family members joining in. Don't we just love happy endings? In some more happy news, Bollywood is proud to introduce you all to Aryaveer. Singer Neeti Mohan and her husband Nihar Pandya, who were blessed with a baby boy, announced that they have named the little one Aryaveer. She also shared adorable pictures with her husband and son. Soon after she posted the beautiful pictures, friends from the industry, including Anushka Sharma, Tahira Kashyap, Harshdeep Kaur and many others, took to social media to shower their love and blessings on the baby. And finally, it's a special day for Team Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam. The Ajay Devgan, Salman Khan and Aishwarya Rai Bachchan starrer has clocked 22 years today. Both Ajay and Salman took to their respective handles to celebrate 22 years of the Sanjay Leela Bhansali directorial. And that's a wrap on another week. See you all on Monday.